In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to jobber quote. Getting your logo onto your quotes is a quick win for brand consistency and professionalism, and you can set it up right inside your account in just a couple of moments. To start, open Jobber in your browser and head to your account homepage. If you're prompted, sign in as you normally would. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Settings option. This is typically shown as a gear icon or a settings link in the navigation. Give that a click to open the main preferences for your account. Inside Settings, find and open Business Profile. This area stores your company identity details and the visual assets that show up on client-facing documents. It's the central place that controls how your logo appears across your quotes, invoices, and emails. On the Business Profile page, scroll until you see the Brand Assets section. Here, you'll find the option to add a logo. Click Add Logo, then choose the image file from your computer. A PNG or JPG usually works best. If you have a version of your logo with a transparent background, that often looks cleaner on different templates and backgrounds. Aim for a clear, high-resolution image so it stays sharp when displayed, and avoid extremely large files to keep uploads quick. After selecting your file, wait for the upload to finish and check the preview. If the edges look cut off or stretched, it can help to use a version with some extra padding or a more standard aspect ratio. Square or horizontal logos generally fit most layouts well. If the preview doesn't look right, you can back up and choose a different file that fits better. Once the change is saved, Jobber will apply your logo automatically to client-facing documents, including your quotes. That means when you create or send a quote, your branding appears without any extra work. If you don't immediately see it on an existing quote, refresh your browser or open a newly generated quote to confirm the update is in place. If you ever rebrand or need to refine how the logo looks, you can return to the same Brand Assets section to replace or remove the image. Keeping a clean, high-contrast version of your logo on hand makes it easier to adapt to different templates later. And that's it. Your logo is now set to appear on Jobber quotes, helping every estimate you send look polished and on brand.